Pigeon Sports PH.
Hello, today we visit the national winners from Argenton, one of the last races this year.
Pigeon Sport
This is
PH.
the winning hen from the All Birds. He was the first national Argenton against 1,787 All Birds. This is a 5-year-old hen. She flew the national race on a big youngster. And the distance from this combination
Pigeon
to
Sports
Argenton
PH.
was 493 kilometers, 795 meters. The velocity was 1,869.26 meters per minute. And the combination who won this national race is Roland, Jeremy and Stephan from
Pigeon
Argenton.
Sports PH.
It's a very hard direction to win a national race, so it's a very hard and special result. So congratulations for this combination.